Alright, what we did today was we installed this microwave underneath the center cabinet in the kitchen. It's actually a countertop microwave. You can still see the feet on the bottom, but I'm going to remove those off. And if you're wondering what the jack is for, I put L brackets, you can see them up there, on, and then I balanced it on top of that jack, and then I jacked it up till I got it in place, and then I screwed it in place. So I think it looks pretty good. So now we got a toaster, we got a microwave, we got a coffee maker, and we got the little handy whisk sitting there, and we got the can opener, and this is my old coffee maker. We're going to keep on using it. So that's what we did today, but I think it looks pretty good. Back up here a little bit. Yeah, looks nice. So that's what we did today. So that's it for this video. Say goodnight, Mel. Good night.